Be the first to show your friends how you drew the cosmic force in the new Disney movie Wish, to be released later in November. In the movie, Asha, a sharp-witted idealist, makes a wish so powerful that it is answered by a cosmic force, a little ball of boundless energy called Star. It is called Star in the movie because the belief to make the wish was made to the stars in the sky. Start out by drawing a circle. You can trace around something that is round or do smaller sections at a time, going back and forth, keeping your hand and eyes working together. This little, yet powerful force looks like a star, so we make the arms, legs, and top of the head look as such. The face area is in the shape of a heart. I don't think this was by chance. I have not seen the movie, but I think there is more to its meaning. All that is needed now is the eyes and mouth. You're doing a great job. It looks fantastic. I hope you stop by to see more creative cartooning, that I am sure you will be successful at drawing.